you got there? What do you got? What'd you find? What is that? A sky raisin. Coho's entertaining himself with a fly that he damaged. Where'd it go? It's all gone. Got away from you. Hi, buddy. You're a good kitty. You gotta clean that up, though. Clean up your toys. Listen to him purr. Let his tail swish. You're not swishing your tail now. You just were. Where's the fly? Get it, Coho. Get the fly. Look at that tail go. No, that's the ultimate laziness. He's laying on the floor playing with his fly. Come on, buddy, you need to burn some calories. Get some exercise. Coho, look, it's a sky raisin. He damaged this fly. He found it in the window. Sign of spring, the flies are alive. And now Coho's playing with his sky raisin. Coho, quit playing with your food. I love that term, sky raisin. Someone says, if it's a bee, then it's a jalapeno sky raisin. You gonna eat that? Good boy. No? Eat your food. There you go. Get stuck in your whiskers. Get it. Get it, Coho. Good boy for knocking down that fly. Go get it. He's purring. Where'd it go? Get it. Get that fly. Get that fly. He broke one of its wings or something. It can't fly now. So instead of a fly, now we call it a walk. Dad joke. I've been sheltered in place too long. I'm playing with flies. Actually, the cat's playing with flies. I'm just watching. At least I'm not playing with the fly. He's gonna eat. His wing is broken and he's more concerned with playing with the cat hair. But look at that. He's worried about COVID because he was just washing his hands. Do you guys wash your hands as well as a fly? And your face? He's touching his face. That's not cool. Where's your mask, buddy? Coho, you gotta get that fly. No, that's for you. You go get it. Clean it up. Clean up on aisle 3. No, go get your fly. I'll give it to Mason. Mason, wakey, wakey. Come and eat this fly. No? You've had flies? Leave it for the baby cat? The kitty of the family? I think Coho is satisfied as long as it's not flying around the house. Look, Coho. Well, he's more interested in me now. Who's your good kitty? Yeah.